sleep is the best form of meditation, and but not every sleep. Right? There are some sleeps that are meditative in nature. Right? And I was trained in yoga and meditation for a long time for me to know how real meditation feels like. And I can assure you that there are some forms of sleep, especially when you go to bed when you're not tired. Most people fall asleep because their body is beaten up. But if you could get into a habit where you're not dead tired, but you finished a full day's job, you're satisfied, and you're going to sleep with a fresh mind, then you can start to go into what I call as a meditative sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you always wake up with new solutions. So not all sleep is equal. I mean, you could wear a Fitbit and see whether you're sleeping or not, but it's not going to give you the quality of sleep. Remember, there's no instrumentation in medical science today that is as precise as your own calibration. Even if the person has cancer, you cannot run a test that identifies where that cancer in the body is. But if you know your symptoms, and then the medical instrumentation can tell you how big that cancer is. Most times the detection happens from the self-reference. Medical science, with all its advancement, a person can't just walk in and there's no scan that can say what are all the things that are wrong in the body. Even with all the development, doctors still have to rely on the symptoms that the body produces for them to isolate to where the problem is, and then the instrumentation can help. And even when it comes to sleep, the best we've got so far is machines can tell you, do you sleep deep enough or not? But they can't tell you the quality within that sleep. But you can. That's calibration. The more you go into sleep in a high performance state, the more you wake up in a high performance state, you can be aware of the type of sleep you had. And I can tell you there are different types of sleep and different functions and performances that happens in different types of sleep. There are some people who go into an REM sleep. It's a very nice sleep if you have learned something and you want to future pace. Like, you remember future pacing that you did with FPC? When people do that in their sleep, their eye movements rapidly fluctuate. There are so many different types of sleep. And if you're curious about sleep, start calibrating. Start becoming aware of what type of sleep did you have the previous day. Yeah. And avoid the unhealthy sleep. Right? That lazy sleep, that sleep when you know you should be eating, but you're actually sleeping, it messes up the biochemistry. It's terrible. And the impact is not just for that day, it's for other days too.